Most beginners don't fail because they are bad at copywriting. They fail because they are confused, overwhelmed, and completely discombobulated about how to get your first copywriting client. And if you are starting from zero with no experience, then this video is for you. Because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you simple, proven system to land your first copywriting client. And if you don't watch this video till the end, you might miss the exact reason why you are not getting client right now. So let's fix that. So before I tell you how to get clients, you need to understand why you are not getting them, and be honest with yourself, because the most honest person about your life is you. There are only two reasons why you are not getting client. Reason one, you are begging, not providing a value. I have seen everywhere people are posting, I need work, please hire me, I need to pay a bill. That's not freelancing, that's a begging. And brands never pay you for a begging, they pay you for a result. And most people make this mistake because they actually don't know how to do copywriting. They think they just copy generic content from maybe from AI tools, and that's enough. But that's not enough, because real businesses instantly tell the difference between human written content and from a AI generic content. So here's your reality check. If you don't know how to write copy, you need to learn copywriting, build simple portfolio, improve your English if needed, and practice for 2 to 3 months, because real skills takes time. But your problem is you want job, you want work, but you don't want to invest time on yourself. You'll spend 2 years begging for work, but not 3 months building your skill. So don't blame copywriting that copywriting is dead, that copywriting is scam. The problem is you, because real businesses need copywriters, but the one who know how to do work. Reason 2, you are stuck in a catch-22. You think I need experience to get clients, but I need clients to get experiences. So you are stuck. You need portfolio, and portfolio does not mean real client work. You need to create a simple portfolio, write a simple email, simple Facebook ad, landing page, sales page. But if your client still asks for real experience, you apply, but tell them that I haven't worked with the real client yet, but here's my portfolio. They only want to see if you can work or not. And if you didn't make your portfolio yet, I already explained in my previous video. If you don't watch that video yet, you can link in description, you can watch it. And you are not stuck, you are thinking wrong. So fix that and move. Number 1, apply for a job or internship. This is the easiest way to get your first client. Instead of chasing client randomly, you put yourself where they already exist. When you join the company, you gain experience, you know how actually work happen, and you make connection with clients. And this connection helps you when you leave your job. You already have a connection with your client, and you know your client, and you can start freelancing easily. And one important thing, when you apply for copywriting job, also apply for related copywriting jobs like junior copywriters or social media manager, marketing assistant, content writer, because you just need your foot in the door. And if you are not getting hired, apply for internship, max 1 to 2 months, even if it's unpaid. But only if you are actually writing, if you are actually working with real clients, if you are gaining experience, and not just sitting and watching. And if someone asks for your money for internship or job, never ever pay, because this is the biggest scam. Never ever do this. Number 2, use your network. This method is the most ignored, but the one who work fastest. You need to tell your connection, your family, friend, social media what you do, because most beginners get their first client through referrals. But the problem is you stay silent. If you stay silent, nobody know what you can do, and they cannot help you, they cannot hire you. So speak up, and and make sure you have your portfolio sample ready. Number 3, build your online presence. I know a lot of people are going to say this, I don't have connection, nobody won't help me. So fine, so make your online visibility. But the problem is, I see a lot of people make their online presence, and in their social media bios they write I have this much experience, but in their post they don't post anything. They don't show any to their future client that they can write like this, they can do this, they can do that. So how can anybody know what you can do? So show in your post, but not AI generated content. Because AI generated content all are looking same. Show your talent, show your writing style, show you what you are doing. So, and give your tips and tricks whatever you do. So do that. And one more thing, never do cold messages, cold pitches to your anyone, because that's a very difficult thing. Because in the call you're going to say that, hello, I'm copywriter, I can do this. Nobody gonna hire you. Instead of this, go to the comment section and try to solve people problem. When people see that this person know this, then client comes to you. And number 4, target small brand. Choose 20 to 50 small businesses, not a big brand like Apple and big creators. And most preferred one where you usually buy. Engage with their post, comment, like, and smartly pitch them that I like your product, I'm your regular customer, and I like your product, but your product description is not looking good, and if you use this product description and this caption, your sale will increase, and if your sale will increase, you turn me into the paid opportunity. So do this will really helpful. And also one more thing, and if they're hiring, immediately apply, even if the job is not perfect, because once you're inside, opportunities grow. Number 5, final method, online platform. Use Fiverr and Upwork. And no, they are not dead, but they are not working for those who don't know what they're doing. So learn the platform, optimize your profile, and showcase your portfolio. Improve it, test it, and learn it. And one important thing, if you buy their, mostly this platform is free, but if you buy their premium package, they will show your profile to more people, they will show you more jobs. So try these online platform also. If after trying all of this you still don't get your first client, so your problem is something you need to fix, maybe your skill, your English, your strategy. So don't blame market, work on yourself. In the upcoming month, I am starting full series on copywriting jobs, profile, and portfolio. And in the next video, I will show you how to improve your English and write like a native. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to this channel, and comment below your biggest problem of copywriting right now. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.